Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now I'm going to show you how we press our ScreenPrint PRO Plastisol transfer. Now the ScreenPrint PRO is our Plastisol transfer that's printed on the PET, the plastic liner. Now our plastic liner for our ScreenPrint PRO is a hot peel, guys, okay? So the beauty of that is you can press, peel. If you want to do a quick second press, you can put a bit of cotton over the top or a bit of parchment paper or something like that, but to give it a second press just to make sure it's right part of the garment. But it's a much faster application. So if you're doing 50 or 100 shirts, you're able to press through and really quickly be press, peel, move on to the next one. I'm going to show you how to do that. So guys, we've got our cotton t-shirt here. It'll go on to polyesters as well. I'm just going to give that a really quick pre-press. Just get some heat into the fabric. Cool. Take my transfer, placing it down. Now I'm just doing the yoke behind the back of the neck, okay? Now, we're gonna be pressing this at 165 degrees, okay? And I'm doing 10 seconds, okay? Now instructions, 160, 165, perfect. Boom, pop up. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give that a really quick little rub as well. Just make sure it's all pulled down. And then just peel that straight off like that. Now guys, that's a 2-color ScreenPrint PRO transfer. So we've done a green, then we've done the white. Because we're going onto a black garment, we've also printed white behind that green there. Now, if you wanted to, you could absolutely take another bit of fabric, something like this, you know, place it over the top and give it a quick press. I've just obviously laid it up, doubled up. But if you had a single bit of cotton, that would be even better again. And that's just going to make sure that that transfer there is beautifully pressed into the fabric, okay? Not necessarily to do it, the transfer absolutely with the first press will wash really, really well. But personally me, I love giving transfers that second press. If I've got the time, you know, if it's a t-shirt or a garment for my family or friends, I'm absolutely gonna give it that second press. Gives it that real textured sort of feel and look and pushes it into the garment. So guys, if you have any questions around our ScreenPrint PRO, that there was on our plastic, our PET liner, ScreenPrint PRO, which is a hot peel, 10 seconds, 10 to 12 seconds, 160, 165 degrees, absolute perfect application. Any questions, reach out to us. Cheers guys.